Hello, welcome to Olivia Toys. It's Friday the 13th, but that's all fine because it's Christmas. It's one day closer to Christmas. Okay, so we're up to 13, obviously, and we've got, it's a little Zobo. It's a Christmas Zobo. Okay, we're gonna have to make sure Olivia is hanging around. There's quite a few little pieces in here, so this is cute. Okay, all right, so let me see. The girls are definitely hanging out in the back there, so... let's get this package open and find out how we put together our Christmas-themed Zobo, which is really such a lovely idea. Christmas hat, which Zobo's going to wear, is in its own little plastic. Where's the serration on this? There's normally serration, like the little dotted bits where you can rip across. And obviously not on that teeny tiny sachet, or if there was, I didn't find it. Let's put Zobo together, and then he can do all the Christmas jobs. Oh my goodness, Zobo, can you come and hang out at my place, please? There's still so many Christmas jobs to do. I can't hang out here yet because we haven't finished building him. So he's got, I love the use of the translucent red pieces. For his arms, and one of his arms is your actual hook to be able to hold, well, the hole to be able to put your thread through, your ribbon through, to hang him up on the Christmas tree. This is his little aerial, or his antenna for picking up the reception, but you actually use that to stand him upright, otherwise he just falls over because he's on wheels. Oh, he's really cute. Look, see? Okay, so he's on wheels, but because he's got that little antenna-y thing on the back, that means that he can stand up without falling down. And now he's Christmas Zobo! Christmas Zobo! And he's finished! That's exciting. And Olivia is... Whoa, hold on. Olivia is... I don't know what she's going to do. What are you going to do with your Christmas Zobo? What are your plans? She's always got plans. I'm sure she's got something in mind. Oh, no! Okay, we finished again. Happens every time. So I will see you here again tomorrow to see what's behind door number 14. Have a very good Christmas Eve Friday 13th. See you tomorrow. Bye.